Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of my daughter's bike check. Next up, Torrance's Bianchi ViaNirone7, all aluminum. Let's check it out. So I was absolutely thrilled when Torrance got this bike. I love Bianchi. It's a very expensive brand, but it's very high quality. I love it. It is the Bianchi ViaNirone. It is a 50 centimeter frame, women's. Yes, my daughter rides a 50 centimeter women's. She's now 5'3.5". She was 5 foot when she got this bike. Everything's slammed. I'll probably have to raise it. We have the FSA Vero crank set. It's a 50-34 compact with a Shimano Sora front derailleur. It's a Shimano Sora front derailleur. We got the Shimano Sora rear derailleur. And look at those small bit of compact gearing behind there. What is that? It is a 27 in the back. It's a 27. It looks really small. Looks like a 23 because I've been riding big gears. Alright, so we got a compact with the 27 in the back. Shimano Sora. We got the Ripardo Corsa wheels. We got the carbon fork. I gave her my gum walls just to make it proper. These are the Vittoria Corsa 23s. I started riding 25s. 320 TPI. It's one of my favorite tires. They just wear out fast when you're riding. Great grip. She needs some new bar tape. I need to get on that. Maybe when we start riding more. Shimano shifters. The Sora. Shimano Sora shifters. Got the classic Bianchi head badge. Great bike. Torrance has also taken this 21 miles. Got a nice little light on there for her just in case we're out riding. And yeah, everything's gonna go up. The seat, the bars will probably go up. We'll get some new bar tape, and this will be ready for the summer. Lots of great rides with the girls planned this summer. I want to get them back out and exercising. Classic bike. Straight from Italy.